Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that I think many of you will find interesting: 5 ways someone is jealous of you. Whether it's at work, among friends, or even within your family, jealousy can creep in and affect our relationships. So, let's jump right into it and uncover the signs of jealousy. Number 1. The backhanded compliment. Have you ever received a compliment that didn't quite feel like a compliment? For example, someone might say, "Wow, you did a great job on that project, for once." These sneaky comments often mask jealousy. The person is trying to bring you down a notch while disguising it as praise. Number 2. They undermine your achievements. If someone constantly downplays your successes or acts like they're not a big deal, jealousy could be the reason. They might say things like, "Anyone could have done that," or "You just got lucky." This behavior stems from their own insecurities and envy. Number 3. Excessive criticism. Constructive criticism is healthy, but if someone is always finding faults with everything you do, it might be jealousy at play. They could be trying to make you doubt yourself and your abilities. Number 4. Mimicking or copying you. Imitation is often said to be the sincerest form of flattery, but if someone is constantly copying your style, ideas, or behavior, it could be a sign they're jealous of you. They want to achieve the same success and recognition that you have. And finally, number 5. Social exclusion. If someone is going out of their way to exclude you from group activities or gatherings, it might be due to jealousy. They don't want you to shine or take the spotlight, so they try to keep you out of the picture. Social exclusion. So there you have it, folks, 5 signs someone might be jealous of you. Remember, jealousy often says more about the other person than it does about you. Stay confident and keep doing what you're doing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on healthy life and personal growth. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on our channel. Don't forget to check out our other videos and follow us on social media for more tips and insights. Until next time, take care.